Hi, Kendall, Caitlin. There's Emma. Goodbye, Emma. And yes, I dug this lovely trail down to Steve and Ann's.
Hi, Daddy. Hey, look at our fort.
It's pretty cool, guys. I'll be over there in a second to look inside of it. There is Johnny's car, which is kind of looks like a station wagon. Well, and there's Gary's, who doesn't appear to be moving around too much. Heading back up the tundra. What do you think, guys? You guys gonna have school on Monday? No. No school. You guys might be going to school till July at the rate we're going.
Till July.
Okay, guys, say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Look at our fort.
Look at this fort, people. People out there in YouTube world. We're going to put this on YouTube so everybody can see it. No, because we're going to go somewhere.
Where?
Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Is that